Abusia yamo ahamo akwa bemra so mamuni amaudo biso nsamo yabobo no Sompa television so ye bana ye de babe somwo South enka obono ni afumantem ne mu aha Sompa 98.9 FM say obono East ya Sompa 90.7 na Sompa 93.1 FM wada mentino asantimantem ne mpota mu nyina ye kase no esent no agi baabi ansam ne doso na poso eni ye demo ebekọ yendi abato mpesua so MPP amanyuko aba omo ekoto ye awo yendi abato mpesua so ekobo bracket no emu nsamete sei ye beko ni akwa kudin komo osofo hwa hinsam ye ra Steven Asamoah Boateng abo Asantuma traditional council mpenimfo abaso ye pa ena nanana tena nkonya omo ewa kumfie twam ene ne mpotamo e de ababetu gesre gada ma de hye ye ma papa tamelese wona di baby owubia yedemo ebeko Ghana Revenue Authority so yate so pani oda adwuma na no ne mra so pension be mfie mienu ne mfie nani oda susi wono mo ye adwuma Ghana mra no esese ni yebeko ne yakwa kodin komo busiafo we ni afofro pinu a ene yakekese ne se kase baby owubia no ye bana ye dia ba somwo asedan koma siatica 21st clinic siatica yesi etutu ase na ya hyase de free ne pedue ne mo mizo ni 5G no aha iguso aye no nom na Tabita clinic so ese brana diabetes ne prostate ni into asema 3A Herbal Center at 3 cool capsules abegwa so Cloud Internet Ghana internet papa wo de be yadwuma wo wadwuma ene ufie nyina ye de ma ena ma mi abe wase yade no de hu no a abusuafo se ba ma wo mefa wo nko no furniture na tena ye no fa drone count de ne te se de kura no a ebetu afri ne pedue no sempo ya to ma wo hu mu a obetu yade na se de afri ne pedue no abusua wo mo ena ebo mi chi domo bo ma donte ma me vemu a baby a wo bia na wiei metimi aba no ma ba be somwo me de edina na ya bo amale bia boga enye brena finsam no yenkumo nkasa emfa emamo yademo ehase ade free kata sese dwumde kankan ne prayer ho na Ghana Integrity Initiative mpenimfo na afe 2023 a etwa mu no wodoma atena se asese akwa wure wakwa kobusa berewa plus ye atamse akomia equals to asese amama ya ewo wiase nyina womo akata sese dwumde kankan ne prayer womo eye ho adwuma tu ase ene womo soso a womo twitwi womo ne se panimboni bia waye mfamaboni wa VIP bus ma wompe ho asem nka no wodoma asese no mo sese no oh my God say ya mo number yani amama bi te se Benin num ene Senegal ene gina faako ene amama bi te se Burkina Faso South Africa num Cote d'Ivoire Tanzania ene Lesotho kra de kese omo de omo da form wo mo nan amama bi te se Mauritius Namibia Sao Tome and Principe so no ya man bia omo eden tutu papa egu akwam a ene okọ omo man ne so a katasese dwum de kankan ne proye omo esoso ano ya bubu na prayer ne sa Mama Mary Anda pani a wada Ghana Integrity Initiative ano na one edin komo echechiri mu katasese dwumde kankan ne proye kono baby o my Ghana yede papa
provide a unique platform to citizens to interrogate the results of the CPI while preferring the best approaches to the fight against corruption. Indeed, JI sees this event as an opportunity to chart a different narrative for the fight against corruption. Madam Chief of Staff, the CPI for 2023 scored Ghana 43 out of a clean score of 100 and ranked 70th out of 180 countries and territories included in this year's index. In fact, the score has remained same since 2020. This, I must say, is worrying because an analysis of the data spanning 4 years for 6 African countries that had stagnated revealed that 67% of them, that's 4 out of 6, dropped in subsequent years after stagnating for such a long time. Madam Chief of Staff, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the theme for this year's CPI launched is corruption and justice. According to Francois Velarin, as the board chair of Transparency International, corruption will continue to thrive until justice systems can punish wrongdoing and keep governments in check. These words resonate with the core of our gathering today as we delve into the Corruption Perception Index. It is imperative to acknowledge the profound impact of corruption on society. Permit me to also quote one of our famous African scholars, Professor Lumumba, who said in 2015, and I quote, "Corruption is something that even the corrupt acknowledge that it is a bad thing. But the irony or the tragedy of corruption is that those who engage in corruption love it, and those who do not engage in it accommodate it."
Abzanfo nti we ye oba penny awoda Ghana Integrity Initiative anoma me Mary Ada na yete ne nke nyina katasehye dwumdi kankan ne proye be bi o my Ghana yaba beduru sesei wo ne kon ho na obobo so kakra de kire ye no yemfomo enko Ghana Revenue Authority wo matena ye na Reverend Dr. Abisha Dai owusu amu a na ye penny kwanchefa awoda Ghana Revenue Authority anona papa yi se na o se nko akọ pension de dadawu no da susu wono mo ye adwuma ye se 2023 mu honum and wonya 62 years adwuma no so a wo ye no na enko se wonya 60 years no a na enko so de nkuku ene ne nkaka egu honum na okopeni ba bitina ne peni pa from ne be se na nan nso watena wa de besi ne ye kobusa no a wo se ni minister ene mperinfo di nkomo se so be ma ne contract de so mo ma ne contract ye nyina wo di hu nkomo na no Public Accounts Committee asete no mo koye na sanse mi ku pipi wa bra emrase bi gene wo mrase bi gefiem ema de she wo ningo prampram abato mpesua so yewra Sam George kobusa wura no se papa na wutu wo se wadi mfie se nie na unya 60 years yi abai en waso eno de agizo busa ne minister no se ne busa se wo he abeka se minkobusa minister ena mbebusa se wadi mfie se a wo se minkobusa minister ne je se wo mo twetwe ya na wo se papa ne yi ano no wo kire se 2023 October nim eno nya 62 years na adwuma no so awo ye ne bisi ne obi ama ne contract bia ya wode ye adwuma ne mum ka no maka kire no so woni onto so no nya adwuma no ntina sesi oda so ate wono ma wo ye adwuma no.
I just wanted to find out from Commissioner General, sir, which year did you attain the age of 60? CJ, I'm waiting for a response. What year did you attain the age of 60?
Isn't this personal, Chairman? What? I think it's too personal. No. Chairman, is my colleague assuming? Is he assuming that?
I haven't called you.
Oh.
I haven't called you. OPK, I haven't called you. Leave that one to me to direct.
OMC is not a personal question, please.
Honorable members, we have our laws in this country that govern us. If the Commissioner General attained the age of 60, he can be given a contract. If the member is asking a question about his age, he should just respond and say, I'm 60, but I'm on contract. Finish.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, I turned 62 October 2023.
Do you have a running contract?
The Chairman, as far as I know, the letter was sent to the board as for me to continue working until it is sorted out with the Ministry of Finance and the government, the appointing authority, and I know that is still ongoing.
Correct. That is all. That is all.
Abzanfo nti we aye pene kwancherfo awoda Ghana Revenue Authority ano Reverend Dr. Abisha Dai owusu amoa na yete ne nkenti wonya 60 years no enye ne yenko senkoko pension en wotewa ye adwuma no a en ebusan se ne ama contract en ntu da so to no no jesu ni minister so woni ne board o kasa na kasa ne nyansi en ntu no da so to no mo a wo ye adwuma na busia yento aso ne yemfom nko MPP amanyuku atena ye na no memenda en kwesi ado moto aba e Ghana fa na nyina ye rua no mebegina de MPP amanyuku no mpese ahodo so na omako premier speaker akonya no MPP amanyuku ni dim na oko yendi abato mpese so a emrase begeni obo emrase begefima desia e won pesua no so honorable Farouk Aliu Mahama wane maame Ajia Bibata Mahama Zakaria ene de kofe so abane kwa wie na abo bracket wa bracket no ne ewi ase na kese wo se yenya opani a wono ene begina de amampipi amanyuku menne yesi kikiri asori won pesua no so nya asem ketwa enam so ma Henry na boache a no na sarma ne se na bia wone bobo doma no ede mampipi amanyuku ndi atuga se party no esoma mpanimfo so monkohwa abato no so sa mpanimfo ne bofo no mutu omo so monkohwa abato no so no bisi no mo mai so mo ba ede amane ebe mpanimfo a ombehwe se de ekosi ye bia awo ye ndi abato mpesua no so no ombesiesie amyenya opani a obegina de ama party no masomdwi aba mpesua no so
the General Secretary said, "Obesity, party penny for obesity." Special reporter, Yesuma, a regional rep and a national rep. In fact, no crown, so no, and a Dr. Subuku Wakasaki. Information, Yenya, Bumana said, that probably a kind, a kind, honorable Farouk, which a bride, a kind do baby, and will be, let's say, a year about King kind. The moment you become kind, how more, Eddie, only, and she had probably, you will be a kind of shock, and she almost short, almost say, do any share, honorable Farouk, maybe, and I will share about Abibata, and so forth. And she young can but not almost again, send me away, sport, it's a door for party, and also a Nipamino, and then say, including J. Abba. I mean, Casa, and then send me a war, Central Region over the weekends, and not near Colemanshire, and I withdrew. The report, about a party benefit. I mean, you can say, some of the National Steering Committee to refer the matter to the National Executive Committee because National Executive Committee and a oversight responsibility over the conduct of parliamentary crimes or a party. And normally to me, be a National Steering Committee, Senator day-to-day management. I can confidently say, Namia Duma, many of China, party pending for the transaction, the decision that they are about to.
Amzuanti we national organizer de mo so no koguko MPP amanyuko no Henry na naboache adodo no a esarmane se na bi ne yete ni nkene no akire yebusa no se enra na wo menhia yimfie mo chairman Benedict Ntwibosi akon chama untumi na nsa gu no hwa so nyasam ketua who are beg ya ne adeadea ne no mu bua ne se ni na bi nsam ni
no se benefit so sa ko se ko ni e be fa so fa mamma ni amane ko so e be fa na ya dane diabo
okay
no and then what party benefit and to my own to para just some about your one na se party and je ko taditi jiwi na yo ko plano mo no so my be fa so e be dane ya bona jiwi na and she meets me and Shadi. I was sensible being in Sompa and near the any school. Yadema a Santamura, enemy Palace. Nano ye Afiba Bicama, a Cosida, the leader and black bearer of the party, Eddie Minute, and the Hoka a quarter euro to Boo Council. No, Chema own to me at Columbia until your name and through my shadi. To boost Hong Kong at the ma, the Mitchell Mono, Julian Poss, some penny for Anchor side to the some a portrait actually.
I was for Henry na naboache ye national organizer de mo so no koguko MPP amanyuko nenra menhia fikese mu a omo eka omo regional chairman Benedict Ntwibosi akon ho ene na ekoye ene na o kyerese da MPP amanyuko ntimi nyesa ene mpese chairman wontimi kra no wakoko yi bibi etisa na nabo no ehene ba no this year watena himfia tetena himfia ntinya dia bibisa akobeba ne tirimu mpo ne mpese wakoye eniamo ho semu a etisa na eno ache na chieftaincy minister Yera Stephen Samoa Boatia do na saramane se asabi esoso ono so ka chama untumi ho ene no menhia himfie enra enyo no nkom ono abolo se chimensa bunsu a wayemrase biganima de hye wosom ya baton pesu aso esa so dadom kesia no o mrase bigefiem na ono so eka ho bi na national chairman edema MPP amanyuko chese mpanimfo atwotworo abepia nkomaku ne nintini a e party no nyinara nra omo eka chairman untumi ho ene na ekomenchia himfie asa b editu dwase Asantuma Traditional Council obebo ma baso papa Amzafonti we Rastavina Samoa Bati on so for share ya mamre ya maniene ya hinsam ehwo ena yetene kenra menhia himfie MPP amanyuku titrenia o wa Asantuma se samaya nananom esama no eno kan ho ene ne koya wo bo nananom abaso no yefom free sansam no ho na yefom ko MPP amanyuku no mo ebiu MPP amanyuku abato a ebaso na no memenda emu nsem bebrebe no sese okeka ne ma de sie ni a emrase ojafo be aduanan so ena omo enkomrase ojafie mu biu MPP amanyuku na kachia omo ayi ni paafra omo nyakopo ya domo a omo timi akwakosi sankrofo na nemu omrase ojafie mu enam so ma Dr. Richard Amoakoba papa wa bene wa manyosemu a eno bi atwa mu na okire ho ade Kwame Nkrumah apom de atugase wonde ohepetatakremu a ohunu se 2024 abato na ebeto no December bosom de toso no independent for no one here na akwakodoso pa akuti MPP for.
Well, I suspect we may see an increase of independent candidates. That's one thing. Because if you lost and you don't think you were treated fair by your own party, then you may be tempted to go it alone, independent. So that remains to be seen how many will take that up. Because it's your party too. So why the support go to one side and not your side? If you feel that's what happened. And so we have to wait and see what they are going to do. And that's what I see. And in a way, it's not good for the party. The division continues. That's what it implies. If you think your party did not treat you right, are you going to support your party? That's the question. So the things that have gone on ahead of time, I can say pretty much has decimated the party, and it continues in the election. The results are indication of that, this unity decimation. So now, if you're an MPP and you run against a candidate who has the support of the vice president, then you've lost. Are you going to support the vice president in the general election? That's the question. Is he going to be able to turn them around to his side again? Well, that remains to be seen. In Ghana, money can do everything. So let's see.
For Dr. Richard Amoakoba na yetene nken wo yobi a wabene ye pa ewo amanyosem ho amrebi atwamu na osaso kire ho ade wo Kwame Nkrumah apomu omo political science department ona na ye peni kwanchirefo eda no ye to aso ne ye de makọ Major Adams Mahama ana se Major Maxwell Mahama na tena ye na arehosem mo be kai adankyira boase ni pebi kosi abrantie aboya ya ekum no so gani a wo boban ye wiase ono na wo boye ho ban o ya pa ne kronfo apa ne wudini am ya twa bo ne nsekan asina bo wo chen Steven kuni ya o dencha bo asene ne mpotem asemi ba ye ene Ghana fo tutu na srani abasa edidi hu nkomo bia ema ebusabusa mu no na enkomo ne nyina kwa yesi assembly mana owo mpotem no mo a ye fe no William Ba eno no epa wura no kronfo ema desia ewo krom ho nyina etwe ma ne nsekan ede pam so gani ya kosi se omo eto no esi na bo eku no kra me duru ba bi no omo ku no wie kra no na nka omo ehye ne nya domfo bi adama nka omo hye ne dwere na asam no court enra enentete a kire se court etena asam no so ebu aya se ene mo kasa assembly man na ɔpae ne krɔmfoɔ ɛma ɔmo si na boku no ɔne nipa du baako ɛka no ho 11 ɛka no ho ɔmo ɛkɔ dam ɔmo nkwa na nyinaa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ prison na abalo ya pɛni ɔpɛni Godfrey Yebo Adame emra court bu asɛm no wie no ɔkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm sɛ de kyerɛ yɛn.
For me, that's actually the most important lesson to be drawn from this. That indeed, there's no point at all engaging in mob justice. But clearly, we have seen a situation where a person who was innocent, was gruesomely murdered under such circumstances. And I believe that the whole nation learned from it and need to put an end to mob justice in Ghana. I was quite appalled to see the videos of Major Mahama on social media. But again, I must also congratulate the investigative team as well as the prosecutorial team, which also put together all the necessary evidence.
Observant way a ban lawyer penny Godfrey Yebo Adame ni etene nkeni na nipa omo esi Major Mahama Bukuno ya ewo denkyira boase a ehun sembeye ho omayimu no na enra court kotena asem no so a womo ebu omu nyina fo ama court wa hye so omo nkodam womo enkwa na nyina assemblyman na wo pa ne kromfo emo mo twe aba de pam no akunu no wono so eka ho bi nipa mienu de womo enyomu tiri edidi mo ewo asem no ho abzafo ye to aso na ye de mo akogane ye mampani dada wanyane baby called Professor John Evans fifi atamlese ofare na ekweja woto de be natana ye mama no tua se ne binsi da ewo Ghana bakosemo se mampani oti akonya so ba ma wotri modenfo a wada ne kontronko yoda mansan komosisifo patapafo a one ne di agora wada ne nsadu tu ne opetabiri ne ope ede ne nsanyu bekwa akoto no so saa eno te magara ma de chie tiem ebusa se ye ere asam kese ene si wo seche jamase a eno ntintumpan anei na efimra papa tamle seto na nanam nse edui ene nsem de akwakwa ebebrebe sadia ekun no Ghanafo se ebehunu si yenhunu besine nipa pido busebusa ada so busa ne se ti papa ne de ade pa ene kun no ene nsem ne bu ye ana se nsuo bi no nom ye ana aduane bi no di ye ne kotram no ema ne wu ye mbeka ya na no ya na busuafo bi ne mko mampani akufado ho ekosre no se besine abusuani ni ma de property a ekum mo de hia tamle se ntoma sra mampani akufado sa doctor for papa ne wie no ne omo kan ye de beto mampani atena ye no onfa bi ma abusuana mfantom ne nchirima eba omo asibi bi de akire wunum enam so ma sansemi chese papa tamle se nuan ma be kasa de afo ho kokko edu osusu aka ne de onya abusuani de ne nso cha abusuani abekasa sesei nananu ma wa kumfi ababonten esre Ghanafo so mo nana ne omo dehye no ombesre se yema ne kra enedi odefo achin ya otoso enwotwe ohina owa kumfi ninsemdie
to set the record straight. The mining of a Kumfi traditional area, who is the paramount chief, or therefore watching the age, has not, and I want to say this clearly for you newsmen and everybody to hear, I and my chiefs has not elected or delegated neither anybody nor any group of persons to His Excellency the President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo or any other institution.
Fonti weye aye odefo achi na otoso enwoche ohine popropa wo eye ekumfi na yete ne nken abusua digina eye papa tamlese ensensem no a na omo kire se ebeya abusuafo yema papa ne kra na o yema ne kra na yenyan na de ku yesi wo yare kra ne de ne koto maternity ebikrasi de ne koto children's ward wo kwa yemane na din na no akire na nanom de so se na no mampedi Akufo-Addo asem bia waka se an enam to o man to abamfa mano enti no ne wura fi wonum enti na mpuntu abo wonum no na nanom eyi mampedi Akufo-Addo no sei.
We are extremely shocked by these statements and struggle to believe to be true, because we particularly did not believe that the president, who is mandated by the constitution to be responsible for the development of the country, could politically segregate the country and treat others with disdain and dislike, and vehemently deny us development because we did not vote for his preferred candidate. By our understanding, with the very constitution which recognizes free and fair elections, one of which made His Excellency Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo the president. There is no provision in the 1992 constitution which mandates the president to decide who the people of Ekunfi, or for that matter, any other constituency, must elect.
Observant to way and an animal welcome fee in 50 mantemo and not yet tea one more and canina. I am penning another Danko for the Samoko can you say and I'm a bar or man to and farm money and no penwintino, the refuge won't put to mono and no more a man penyaku for the one no. Observe yet to us some Sonian from consent from a better just a senior staff association for one more our University of Ghana Legon, one more at Yetia na anopay that sorry ya krata yensaka. If National Labour Commission in Penny for no more NSA or more access senior staff for no says or more penetum penua or monko juma na nichine ya sana senko bia o hono a wo mo ene wo mo edi mi busa sanyem bia senior staff of ya wo mo atie atua wo fie ya eno nti ya say oko University of Ghana Basic School a ya tutumu no anyem bia sa krata no a National Labour Commission for dia ba no monsa ka bia na no monsa ka bia eri asem ene wo mo eka edi afon pani Isaac Donko president a wadakuna no opani ye mo ha emo official pa Mejime disa ohoye na National Labour Commission directive monsa kebiana
me chairperson for University of Ghana senior staff, me national chairman for the whole Ghana public universities.
Okay.
And this right now I want on here University of Ghana federal strike. All the public universities in Ghana. Matias.
And did I just say KNUST public universities in senior staff or honomo and not more two sana mo winti me and limited to University of Ghana and Kwameboa. Mpachonti say directive no Monsaka biana.
Yes, that's the Labour Commission. What's the young call of your strike? Yati, Yansaka, Asamna Wakano.
Na more call of strike in the bay.
Oh, Saturday, not to show die, what to call of the strike. Same thing the union, Minamia national chairman. I'm also one spokesperson. Number, I don't wear power. Power ni na okete msem meje powers ni free NEC National Executive Council and this say me badama ana mo so report to National Executive Council no will decide the asamna free Labour Commission abano yabaja another engine too me you can say last 2 weeks na ya connect na ya buy and convey another NEC on here easy because it takes a lot of resources from us. Until on your friend NEC meeting, we are discussing some abano. Then NEC will decide what to do. This is a young call NEC meeting now. Movement shredder, they were calling off. And for now, we are still on strike. Until then, NEC is here. We review Labour Commission one directive.
Yo, and then Mr. Don come here now. I say into Musiana. Mu take a decision be a best as well about Hawaii. But you, that's it. For Mr. Isaac Donkona, and then Aquacodin, come Ghana, Senior Staff Association for Omo University, no 1 year president, your family 21st clinic, except for Sciatic and a bra, the Intuasiama, Mizone 5G, no, Yenom, Nasia, the Monyam, Tabita Clinic, or diabetes, no prostate, no, they call Amomotuasia, 3A Herbal Center, and the 3 Eco Capsules are bar on a normal Okuna CA2, Cloud Internet Ghana, Internet, no, or the year Juma were Juma Mifia, and no any papa and a mammy a bee, say, yea, what Nasi or Patanos or Patrapa new site or no more, not Yadiano, say a yen toyadia, bra. Ne drew el honmabuzia or more any bomb chidoma me vimwa maybe I will be an away yet me buy a baba sumo but any yabo malibia bogawe yadamasi.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy wherever you are.